Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are seeing how to calculate the total project duration and identify the critical path for a given project. Okay, we are just seeing in construction project management. So generally we will be given with this activity, that is activity 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, with the duration to complete these activities. Okay, the sequence of these activities would be given, and along with that we will be given with the duration to complete each activity. So we just have to evaluate the critical path and also the total project duration for this given project. See, initially we can see it is 0 to 1 with 2 duration. Okay, so we are drawing the diagram as 0 to 1, 2 duration, and next we have 1 to 2 as duration 4. Okay, this is the duration, and next 2 to 3 we have 2, 3 to 4 we have 5, but we also have from 2 to 5. Okay, from 2 we have 2 nodes, that is 2, 3 and 5. Here the duration is 1, here the duration is 2. From 3 we have again 2 activities to complete, that is 3 to 4 and 3 to 7, 5 and 8. And again 4 to 5 we have 1. Okay, from 0 to 6 it is 1. 6 to 7 3 duration, 7 to 8 5 duration, and 5 to 8 3 duration. See, we just should know how to draw this diagram. It is nothing but a trial and error process of just drawing all the activities. I will show you how to draw it again now. So I'm just drawing that again for you. See, from 0 to 1 we have 1 duration, so it would be 0 here. So for 1, what is the duration? It is 2. We'll write. Next, for 1 to 2, from 1 we have 1 activity. See, any other activity is there? No. So only one activity is there from 1 to 2, that is 4. So we'll just write one activity, that is 4. Okay, and next we have from 2. See, from 2 we have 2 activities, one over here and one over here, that is 3 and 5. But we should also see which one to draw where. Okay, so the first one would be coming in this part. Okay, 3, and again one would be 5. Okay, we'll have to write these durations also. 2 to 3 is 2 and 2 to 5 is 1. Next we have 3 to 4 as 5. So from 3 again we have 2, 3 we have 4 and 7. Okay, how to draw again? So I'm just writing 3 to 4. As we got the first one here, I'm writing it in the same path. As it is far away, I'm writing it in a bit farther distance, that is 7. Okay, once we are done with that, we have to round figure that. Next, 4 to 5. From 4 again we don't have any other thing here, so this is 4. So I can say the 5 is farther from 4, that is, it is somewhere over here. Okay, the 5 is somewhere over there. Next we have 0 to 6. 0 to 6, that is something over here. I'm writing it down, and the duration is 1. Next, 3 to 7, we already completed that, right? 6 to 7, see, 6 to 7, again there is a connection. 5 to 8 and 7 to 8. So I'm just writing some 8 number over here, such that it is very easy for us to draw an arrow from 7 and 5. Okay, so this is how generally we have this diagram. And coming to these activities, how to calculate the duration. Okay, I'll just flip this. See, here we just have to make some tables, some boxes over here. The bottom one would be EST, the top one would be LFT. EST is nothing but earliest start time, LFT is latest finish time. So the bottom one, first let's see the EST, that is the bottom one, how we got this. See, here it is 0, and see, EST is nothing but we'll be taking the maximum one. Okay, we'll be taking the maximum one whenever we are adding. See, to get over 1, we have only one path, that is 0 plus 2, 2. To get to 2, we have only one path, that is 2 plus 4, 6. And to get to 3, we have 3 paths, 2, 4, 2. This 2 plus 4 plus 2. Then we get to 3, right? So it is 8. But to get to 5, we have 2 different paths, that is 2 plus 4 plus 1, or 2 plus 4 plus 2. plus 5 plus 1. So it is our wish. We can just get the paths. See, to get to 5 we can go either in this way, or from here we can just go in this way, right? But remember, it should be in the direction of the arrow. Whenever we are seeing in the activity path, it is like 0 to 1. So activity should be from 0 to 1. So arrow, it should be from see, whenever we are taking EST, it should be in the direction of arrow. Okay, LFT is in opposite direction of the arrow. So we have to just follow these arrows. We can go in this way, or we can go in this way. Whatever the maximum one would be there, we have to take that. See, here it is 8. So here, see, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, it will be 7. Okay, or it can be 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14, or it can be 14. But EST, you would be taking the maximum one. For EST, remember, we will be taking the maximum one. Okay, that would be 14. And LFT will be taking the minimum one. Okay, next, coming to 7, we again have two different parts over here. See, it is simply 1 plus 3 or 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8. So again we'll be taking the maximum one. So it is in this way. That is 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. And coming to here, 6, we have only one way. That is 1. And 8. See, I can tell you many ways. See, we can go from node 5 or node 7. From node 7 it is 16 plus 5. From node 5 it is 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3 would be 17. And the 16 plus 5 would be 21. So 21 would be the maximum value. So take that value. Okay. So this is how we'll get the ESTs. And coming to the LFT, that is latest finish time, we will go in this opposite direction, opposite to the direction of arrow. See here, at node 8 we'll simply write 21. At node 7 it is only one way we have, that is 21 minus 5, it is 16. And here for 6 also we have one way, 16 minus 3 we have 13. But here in 5, yes, even here we have one way. So 21 minus 3, it will be 18. For 4 it is again one way, 14. So 18 minus 1, 17. See, for LFT, consider only the top box. Okay. And whenever we are going in EST, see, I will tell you the differences. In EST, we will follow the arrow direction, and also we'll add that values. We'll add. But in LFT, we will go in a direction that is opposite to the direction of arrow, and we will subtract the values over here. Okay, we'll subtract the values. So here and here we will be considering the maximum value. Here we will be considering the minimum value. This is it. If you understand these three basic values, you will be getting the diagram of this. Okay, next, coming to this part, we have again different ways over here. It can be from node 4 or node 7. That is, it is 16 minus 8, 8, or here it is 17. 17 minus 5, it can be 12. I told you for LFT you will take the minimum value. So it is 8. Again, for 2 we have different ways. It can be from 5 or 3. From 5 it would be 18 minus 8, that is 10. Or 8 minus 2, it will be 6. So again we will be taking the minimum value, that is 6. Okay. So we will just be subtracting here. Okay. In the direction of the arrow, opposite direction, we will be adding over here, we will be subtracting. So to get ESTs, we will be adding it. Okay, we will add that. And here we will be subtracting that. Okay, we will take the minimum values into consideration. We will take the maximum value over here. Next, critical path is nothing but the sequence of activities which decides the total project duration. So a critical path has zero float. Float is nothing but the difference between EST and LFT. Okay, for critical activities, the EST minus LFT would be 0. That is, it is the path at which, see, it is 0 and 0, it is 2 and 2. Whenever it is same, it would be the critical path. 6 and 6. Again, see, here it is 8 and 8. Okay, it would be going till 3. So it is 17 and 13. it's not the way. Here it is 16 and 16, so this is the way. Again 21 and 21, this is the way. Okay, whenever the upper and bottom box is same, we say that path as critical path, and that activities are critical activities. Okay, see, remaining here it is different, it is different, it is different. So this is the critical path. Whenever they are asking for the critical path, we have to mention, see, the critical path is 0 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 7, and 7 to 8. Okay, and total project duration is nothing but sum of the critical activities duration, that is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5. Okay, that is 21 days. Okay, that is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and comment to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your subscription would greatly help me. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.